Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisaandthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you looking to create a custom YouTube thumbnail image, but you just aren't artsy-fartsy or that have a lot of technical know-how? Well, pay close attention, because on this video I'm going to share with you a real quick and easy way to make a professional-looking YouTube custom thumbnail image that will get more people watching your videos. And the best part is we're going to be using a free tool. So before we get into the training, make sure you have subscribed to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the lower right hand corner of your screen, because I create content on almost a daily basis and I don't want you to miss a thing. Secondly, stay with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to share with you how you can start getting more leads in the next 24 hours using YouTube. So let's get right into the training. You're probably wondering, what is a YouTube thumbnail? Well, on your screen you can see I pulled up a list of videos and I just typed in any search term. So I said make money from home. And as you can see here, what a YouTube thumbnail image is, this is the image that YouTube will put up on the video. So when people are typing in a search term, that's what they're going to be seeing. Now, what YouTube will typically do when you upload a video, they're going to pull at random certain screenshots of your video, and they're going to put that in as your default YouTube thumbnail. And sometimes when YouTube pulls that, it's not always going to be the best looking of you when you are doing your video. So what you want to do is create a custom thumbnail, a YouTube thumbnail, which will allow you to really make your thumbnail stand out in the YouTube search engine newsfeed. You see, people are very visual, and you need to have something that is going to draw them in, because the first thing they're going to see is the image before they look at the headline right up here. So you want to make sure that you have a really good custom thumbnail. And so, big challenge for a lot of people as well. I'm not that artsy-fartsy, and I'm not that technically challenged, or technical skills. I'm not a really big tech geek. Well, I got you covered. Let's check out this tool we're going to use. The tool we're going to use is called Canva, C-A-N-V-A. You can get a free account. Here is what's really great about Canva, is it gives you a whole set of different templates you can make your own branded images with. So what we're going to do is we're going to select YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and this is the reason why I love Canva, because it gives you, you don't have to worry about figuring out what are the exact dimensions you need for your YouTube thumbnail picture. So you click on this and it's going to take you right here, and now you have a blank canvas to work on. You're going to come up here to layouts, and you can see we have a whole bunch of different layouts you can choose. They have free layouts, and there's also ones you can pay for, and you only need to pay $1. However, if you do use a paid custom layout, you will only be able to make modifications for 24 hours. When you pay for it for $1, then you've got to repay again. So if you're going to be paying for whether it's an image or a template, make sure that this is something that if you need to make modifications, you need to do so within the next 24 hours. But I'm going to choose a free one here, and I really like this one, so I'm going to just drag it right here. And then up here, all you have to do is put in your title, so I'm putting that title here. And then what I can do is, if I click on this, I'm going to replace the screen here. I'm going to replace this image, and the reason I want to do that is I want to put in an image of myself, okay? You want to have a picture of yourself, because what that's going to do is you want people to start recognizing your face, recognizing your voice. So if they see a picture of you, they're going to be more than, they're going to want to look at you, and they're going to want to check out your video, okay? So we're going to come hit down, and what you do is click on Uploads. Now, I uploaded a couple of different pictures, so I'm going to grab this picture here, okay? And I can come here and I'm just going to move this over a little bit. And as you can see, we can use different fonts. Whoops. So I'm going to grab this here. And I can also change the color of this. So as you can see right here, I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to click on this button. And I'm going to go with a light blue color here, because that's also one of the colors for YouTube. I want to always try to make a good match here, and I want a border that's going to kind of stand out and pop a little bit. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put this down, and I'm going to come over, and I found a free YouTube transparent logo. I'm just going to drag that over, and then all I can do is, you see these little arrow buttons, you can quickly resize. Alright, so I'm going to put that like this, and I'm going to say I'm going to just drop the size here so I can make the size a little smaller. Okay, so that's Roberto condensed. I am going to make this a little. Like this here. And I can come over here and change the font sizes as well. Let me see if these will work. Nope, that doesn't work there. I thought I had the YouTube fonts there, but that's okay. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to find another. I'm going to come over to. I'm going to use this. This up, and then I'm going to do, whoops, and I can come here and I can just replace that, and I can type just going to bring this down a little bit, and I can always adjust the size. So I'm just going to bring that over. Okay. Oops. And then I'll come over here. Let's see. So you can see, you can have a lot of fun doing this. So I can move it like this, bring this up. And you want to make sure you want to have it stand out a little bit. And when you like what you have, what I also like to do here as well is on my YouTube, on my channel art, or on my thumbnail, I also like to put my logo or my website address on there as well, because you want people to check out your website as well, and people will look, okay? So you want people to be familiar with who you are, and they will check out your website. So I'm going to add, I made this, and I can just drag that down here, so that's right there. Or I can move it right over here. I'm just going to put it right against the black because that'll be easier to stand out. And then when you like everything that you have there, Then what you can do is you make sure you have it saved. And you want to also make sure, this is just a real quick tip, to put in your search term into the image. So when you upload it, that will also help you get ranked on YouTube. And then you come over and you want to make sure that you save it. And then you just click save. And then you just hit download. And then you want to make sure that you choose JPEG or PNG. I like using the JPEG. And then you just click download. And then now it's going to download my my image to my my download folder. So that is how easy this is, and you can literally create this in 5 minutes. And what's really nice is that if you have a blog post, you can literally, I can show you how to resize this really quickly. You can go up to File, and then you can change the dimensions, and then for me, I have a custom dimension, so then I can come in here and do my custom dimension of my blog header for my post. And then if I did a resize, it's all now the size of my blog. And then all I have to do is click save, and then I can click download again. And now, if you wanted to have this thumbnail, you loved it a lot, you can change it. You can do this and make like a Twitter image and send that out to Twitter. You can make it into an Instagram image, and you can send that out to Instagram so people can come and check out your video. So this is a wonderful tool. I highly recommend that you use it to create your branded custom thumbnail images. Did you find this video helpful today? If you did, leave a comment and share. And as promised, I want to give you a sneak peek of some training of how you can get access to learn how to create YouTube videos that can get you leads within the next 24 hours. So right over here, this is a video training that I want to show you really quick. From a good friend of mine. He is a video marketing expert. His name is Mark Harbutt, and his specialty is YouTube. And so what he does in this 90-minute training is he's going to show you how to optimize your YouTube channel, what type of videos are going to help you, how long you should have your videos, what type of videos will help you get leads, and he's going to introduce you to a couple of keyword tools to do some keyword research, especially a great YouTube keyword research where you can spy on your competition, get their keywords, and help you rank high on the YouTube search engine so people can find your content. And in addition to, he has also a free PDF, which is 4 pages long, which has 101 video creation ideas. These ideas, okay, can help you create high quality videos that will get people to want to watch your videos and opt in to become a lead and eventually a customer and rep in your business. To get access to this training, here's what you need to do. You just need to go to www.drlisamthompson.com/101ideas. That's www.drlisamthompson.com/101ideas. You're going to come to a screen just like this, and then you're just going to click on this download button, put in your best email address, and I will send that training right over to your email box right away. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.